I'm managing it here, repeating it in life. If I have a list like this, I'll adjust it a bit. Now, what do I want? I want my output to be the content values in Word for my book. I'm not going to write it again. I worked hard on this table of contents, so I go to File, Share, and Export the outline. It tells you to get the outline. Let's see what it is first. I need the folder for the infographic during the course, and I'll save the outline here. It tells you I'm exporting complete. I said, okay, I have a folder for the infographic course, and it will come to me as a PDF, right? Yes, it will bring it to me as a PDF here. If you take a look, you'll find a strange PDF, meaning I won't benefit from it at all, and I'm still going to do copy paste. That's not my goal with the export, but I understood something. When I export the outline, if I say File, Share, Outline, it gives me a PDF, which is not what I wanted. I understood one of the commands, and above it, there's Export Mind Map. So bring me the folder for the infographic, and I'll say save the outline. It tells you I'm exporting complete. So I have a folder for the infographic course, and it will come to me as a PDF, right? Yes, it will bring it to me as a PDF here. If you take a look, you'll find a strange PDF, meaning it's useless. Still copy paste. But I understood something. When I export the outline, if I say File, Share, Outline, it gives me a PDF, which is not what I wanted. And then I can choose from below here PDF. No, I tried. Every time it's text, I save, open folder, find text file, complete layout. If you look, you'll find a strange PDF. I realized when I export the outline, choosing File, Share, Outline gives me a PDF, which isn't what I wanted. I understood one command, and above it, there's Export Mind Map. Then I can choose PDF below. I tried, and every time you give me text, I save, open the folder, and find a text file with a complete layout. It all comes from the right, and I can enlarge it. The formatting is clear. I could do something big, like import this text into a new map, maybe take all of this, Control-A, Control-C, and see the creativity. Then I go to PowerPoint. Choose from below here PDF. I tried you, and every time you give me text, I find a text file with a complete layout. It all comes from the right, and I can enlarge it, and the formatting is clear. I could import this text into a new map. Then I go to PowerPoint. I don't know if I have PowerPoint. Oh, I have PowerPoint. I open it. I want a nice slide for this. I'll say insert, but be careful. Pay attention. Wait, focus on this part. It matters to me, and it all comes from the right, and I can enlarge it too, and the formatting is clear and straightforward. Because I could do something really big, which is to take this text and import it into a new map. And maybe I can take all of this Control-A, Control-C, and see the creativity. Then I go to PowerPoint. Honestly, I don't even know if I have PowerPoint or not. Oh, I have PowerPoint. Yes, and it opens PowerPoint even though you're working in Simple Mind. Anyway, I tell it I want a nice slide for this, meaning there's nothing else in it. I'll say insert, but be careful. No, pay attention. And whoever is doing something should leave it. And whoever is talking should say, wait, focus on this part. It matters to me. Everyone focus, everyone focus. I told him that I want to approach going out, intelligence and careful planning. For example, I aim to make sure each decision is well thought out. This means considering potential outcomes and making wise choices. By doing this, I hope to handle challenges effectively and feel accomplished. It's about being strategic and thoughtful in how I engage with the world. So, what's the control? Control, where's this coming from? He said, from the app of mine, meaning I made a map. From the text, it's coming to you, man. I mean, it's that easy, or it's that easy. This part is unnecessary. We'll get rid of it. But everything, my whole layout is here, and I'll also keep the top like this. And I'll set it to right to left, so everything comes from the right. Now, the components of the computer, operating systems, applications, I have a PowerPoint slide set up. Where did it come from? It came from Simple Mind. These are all the lists that I exported. It all started with share, and I selected export mind map and told it from the text list. The components of the computer, operating systems, applications. So I have a PowerPoint slide set up. Where did it come from? It came from Simple Mind. Exported lists start with share. And export mind map. Copied text into Word, placed in PowerPoint. In clinical education, bring your hierarchy. Give it to the designer. Color it. So I got a text file, copied it, and pasted it into Word for my book. I copied it and placed it in the hierarchy in PowerPoint. Of course, you won't be able to take a picture of it for anyone. So when you come, for example, in clinical education, they tell you to bring your hierarchy that you designed. You can take it as text and give it to the designer, or take it as text and put it in PowerPoint like I did, and you get the map ready. You can even color it. I have colors for each level. Each level has its own distinct and unique color scheme. I have level 1, level 2, and level 3, each with its own specific characteristics and features. Let me tell you in detail how the layout looks and how things are progressing for us in this context. Because time is passing and we always need more time, this button is the share button. I can easily open the file menu to share. I'll click the button to export the mind map, and instead of the PowerPoint text, I'll get a PNG image. I'll upload it to Blackboard. I'll retrieve it from local files, the one from the infographic course. I'm browsing files to take my image. Because this image will help me to take my design, where should I put it? This is this image, so that I can upload this image inside the Blackboard here next to its sister, so that I can come and put an image in this lesson and upload my main image. This is what I retrieve from the local files, and bring the image that is in the infographic course that I am still working on, which is this voice. The one I said to voice, yes, voice. No, I am sorry, to the point. I want a picture. Create content, voice, not a picture. I browse here. I browse from the files and take this picture of mine. It brings the image. Students can access and open it, zooming. It looks good, and exports as PDF. I'll save it, showing a list. I can view and distribute the PDF. Applications look amazing in Vector. Check Word presentations and PDF quality. We've covered export, the most important. We've learned to create and change export. These are the main things. Now navigate the program comfortably. It's not any PDF, it's the best PDF. I'll save it and see a different list. I can see how this PDF looks and distribute it. Admire the PDF and its zoom. Applications in vector format give the biggest size. Check presentations and PDF quality. Design available. We've covered export, creation, and changes. These are key. Navigate comfortably. I have less than a quarter hour to wrap up. I'll choose the circular shape from the other option. It's a fantastic mind map. Explain, close one map, open another. Beautiful process. Look at the word presentations. Look at the PDF. See the quality of the PDF. This design is also available. All right, we've covered the export, and that's the most important thing. We've learned how to create and how to change the export. These are the three main things. Now you can navigate through the program comfortably because I have 15 minutes to wrap this up. I'll go back to the other option. Select this circular shape. It's a great mind map. You can close one map and open another. This is another design. You can resize it. Use branches as needed. I have the matrix new and wasn't in older versions. It can go right to left for Arabic. Exporting as an image is great. There's a background color option. Make it white. This is a different design that can be placed on Blackboard or in PowerPoint. You can enlarge or reduce it, and it has various features. You can take each branch as needed, depending on the data you have. Also, I have the matrix, which is very new and wasn't available in the older versions. It creates a matrix like this, and it's really nice, especially if I can set the matrix to go from right to left, since I'm working in Arabic. It's like you're creating a syllabus table, and it's really, really nice. If I export it as an image, it would be great. But here, I also have the background color option. I can make it white. In this matrix, I was able to set it from right to left because I'm working in Arabic. It's like you're creating a syllabus table. And it's really nice. If I export it as an image, that would be great. But here, I have the background color option. I can make it white. Don't repeat, I can make it white. I can change Blackboard's color. It's white for Word or anywhere. Here is the matrix introduction, then computer components at levels 2 and 3, then commercial and open source OS like Microsoft. You know your gaps in apps like programming, networks, cybersecurity, AI. This is the matrix shape. You can export the matrix as an image. Export this image as 2. Center the image, it's vertical for Blackboard. As an image, it's pixelated. As a PDF, it retains quality. And I didn't talk about open source applications. You know where your gaps are in applications, like programming languages, networks, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence. I have a really nice division here. This is the shape of the matrix. You can export the matrix, as an image. There's no problem with exporting. Export this image, and let's say we keep it here as 2. I'll center the image. Look at its new shape. It's vertical and suitable for Blackboard. But of course, this is just an image, so you'll find it pixelated. However, if it's a PDF, you'll see it retains its quality. So it's just an image, okay?